This white-collared mannequin may just be the greatest showman of all.
He spent months preparing his stage. A star performer demands perfection.
Not a single leaf out of place. That's better.
Finally,
It's showtime.
a confusing routine of hopping about, strange snaps, and bizarre honking sounds. Female mannequins can process visual information 4 times faster than a human,
From her point of view,
leaping across his stage. The mannequin snaps his wings together, creating an awesome crack. A crack that can be heard 300 yards away. As he repeats this display, the female's ultraviolet intensifying vision picks out his plumage. And the male's carefully curated neutral background heightens her viewing pleasure. Then, to finish with a flourish, the incredible inverted crack and flip. He bows out by spreading his wingtips and flapping as fast as possible. Which, to her, sounds like an irresistible purr. Totally seduced, she joins him on stage for one last dance. When it comes to competing for a mate, each animal has its own rules of engagement, but only those with the most enchanting superpowers will win the ultimate prize.